You guys like to see, that was a little trick, that was a card trick. Would you guys like to see a big trick? Yeah! Would you like to see a big trick? Yeah! All right, I'll show you a big trick. Now there, ladies and gentlemen, is a big box. That's one big box. It's 1.5 feet off the ground so you can see it underneath it at all times. Spin the box. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to see this box from every angle. There's the front, there's the side, here comes the back, back to the front. That box is also 12 feet from the wings and the back curtain. Open the box. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, that is one big empty box. Close the box. Screens. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to watch this because this is an illusion you'll never see on another cruise ship. Check this out. I got a hand for your pilots. Janine, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Steve. Now that's a big trick. So nice.